dito kami sa Coast Guard K9 founding anniversary. Congratulations, 4 years na sila.
4 years na sila, and they've created so much improvement over the past 2 years. And watch out for more improvements in the coming days.
Yan, oo. So, talagang we are very honored to be here.
And si Doc Abel will be supporting the organization in the coming improvements, right?
Yes,
Their
sir.
genetic management, right?
And si Doc Fergs ay mag-auxiliary.
Yes.
Coast Guard.
Kaming dalawa daw eh.
Oo. Pinag-iisipan ko. Oo.
Okay yan. Tutulong tayo. Tutulong tayo.
Kailangan nating tumulong.
To our guest of honor and speaker, Coast Guard Vice Admiral Robert N. Patrimonio, who will be properly introduced later. To the flag rank officers and senior officers of the Philippine Coast Guard and Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary.
Activity, the reason we are here, the very snappy, very active, very visionary, very humble commander of the Coast Guard Veterinary Service, Captain Pam Maspuria. Palakpakan po natin si and to Dr. Ferdinand Resio, host of Born to be Wild, owner of Doc Ferds Animal Wellness Center. Our awardee, Dr. Abel Manalo, Manalo K9 Technologies Incorporated.
Kaso ba kayo ha?
Doc Calderon of
And
our Coast Guard,
Snoopy Manalo.
Medical Service.
K9 Manalo Technologies International Incorporated for his contribution to this unit by providing the International Canine Genetics Database, which will serve as a guide for genetic analysis for breeding to enhance the genetic quality and health of our Coast Guard K9. To receive the award is the owner and the proprietor, Dr. Abel Manalo.
Same plaque of appreciation is hereby awarded to
We request also the senior officers.
Ayan, so kakain daw muna kami. At syempre kasama ko ang aking butihing may bahay na maganda, si Madam Snoopy. Ayan na, kakain daw muna tayo. At ito may mga picture-picture. Ayan, si Sir Artaho. Ang kanyang tatay daw ay sinusundan ako. Tanda ko na talaga. Ayan, mga kasama natin dito, mga Philippine Coast Guard. Mga bago pa lang po kayo sa Coast Guard. Newly graduate. Bet din kayo. Ayan, lahat po kayo dito? Kayo tatlo. Ayos, oo. Sir Gas. Oo. Saka si Tainan. Ito si Doc Pam Aspurias, commander ng K9 unit. Tama ba? K9 unit ng Philippine Coast Guard. Veterinary Service. Yun na nga sinasabi ko sa inyo. Tapos papakilala niya ako kay Sir Sonta Linosa. Ayan, sa K9 commander yata siya ng K9, chief ng K9 sa Coast Guard. Okay, so pauwi na kami. Ito, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung award. Ayan, so kung mababasa nyo dyan, tungkol po ito sa International Animal Genetics Database, yung IAGD papers natin. So gagamitin ng Coast Guard yung IAGD para sa kanilang mga missions and functions. Ayan, para sa breeding program nila, para doon sa deployments nila ng mga canines. Ayan, para po magkaroon sila ng maayos na database. Yan po yung, that's what the award is about. So congratulations sa Philippine Coast Guard Veterinary Services 4th year. Ayan, yan ang event ngayon. Uwi na po kami ni Madam Snooki. Thank you po sa lahat na mabubuo ng veterinary services. Salamat po sa inyo.